In this video, I want to show you how to add image inside your app, because pretty much every app have some image inside. So let's do this. First, we will go inside the other page. So this settings is where we have the sized box. We will replace this by what we call an image dot network. Good? And image dot, so just before, we have three options. We have the image dot, we have four options. We have the image asset, file, memory, network. Network will be an image from the internet, and the SRC is just the source of the image, so the URL. Let me show you. So we have Google, and I search about Borealis. Now you will click on an image, you will right click, and you will say open image in a new tab. Good. Now you see this image have a .jpg. That's perfect. But let's take another image, maybe this one, and I will say open in a new tab. I still have it, that's good. I will say open in a new tab. Okay, so you see this one? This one have a super weird URL, and the end is not finishing with, can I see the end? It's not really possible. Yeah, the end is not finishing with PNG, GPG or something. It's like very weird things. Okay, I think this is like infinite or something. I never saw this in my life, but whatever. Okay, yeah, perfect. The end is not finishing by GPG or JPEG or any normal size, okay? If it's not finishing by something like this, try just to find another image that end with a JPEG or PNG. So you copy this, okay? And then you will go inside your quotation mark. It's important that you put quotation mark, and you paste the image URL. I will put the hot reload, and here you go. You have your image inside your app. This is super, super easy to do, okay? And yeah, this was the image network. In the next video, I will show you how to add an image, but not from the internet. I will show you how to add the image inside the code and how to use this image inside Flutter. So see you on the next video. Bye.